I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to the Polygon network. First, open your MetaMask wallet in your browser. You'll need to access the network selection drop-down, which is usually located at the top of the wallet interface. This initial step is crucial for configuring your wallet. This straightforward process will enable you to seamlessly use Polygon's benefits, including its faster and more cost-effective transactions for your decentralized applications. Once you've opened MetaMask, locate the network drop-down menu, typically found at the top of the wallet. Click on it, and then select Add Network from the options presented. From there, you'll choose Add a Network manually. This action will open a form where you can input the specific details for the Polygon mainnet, allowing your wallet to properly recognize and interact with this popular blockchain network. Here are the exact details you'll need to enter into the manual network configuration form. For network name, type Polygon mainnet. The new RPC URL is https://polygonrpc.com. The chain ID is 137 and the currency symbol is MATIC. Finally, the block explorer URL is https://polygonscan.com. It's very important to double-check these entries for accuracy before proceeding to ensure a successful connection. After entering all the details, click the Save button to finalize your configuration. Your MetaMask wallet should now display Polygon mainnet as the currently selected network. You can then view your MATIC balance and begin interacting with various decentralized applications on the Polygon network. Congratulations! You're now successfully connected and fully ready to explore the Polygon ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.